What's up, everybody? It's Kaylee. Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be organizing my fidgets and stuff. So first, I found my fidgets finally. Well, most of them, at least, kind of most of them. I don't know, but there still should be some in here. Probably still some in here. Oh, there's food. Ooh, stickers. Ugh. Oh, there's this. Where the heck did my infinity cube go? Oh, I found it. It's all. Oh. Okay. So. Yeah? Yep, I did. She hasn't answered yet. Calm down. Okay, so I have. Where's the other one? So I have. Oh my god, one more thing. One more bag. Okay. What? Yeah. A little bit, kinda. Okay. Whoa, hard spot. Slime. Well, not slime, glue. Let me see. Why is it so dark in here? Oh, shoot. Oh, what's in it? Ugh. Sorry, it's so boring. Ugh. There, that should be fine. Let me get. There, that's fine. Perfect. Okay, now I'm going to. So this is I just got this next one. It's like some stress ball. I'm pretty sure this is a Fidgets. Pea popper, broken Simple Dimple, because someone at last she broke it, and her name is Riley. Well, she broke one of them, and then I just broke it. And then bike chain and mini poppet. I feel like I had another mini poppet. Wait. Be right back. I think I have the Fidgets. Maybe. Okay, that's fine. Oh, I do. I have more. I do. I have a whole entire bin full. Well, not really full. I have a bin. I'm over here. Okay, I have a bin. So this was supposed to be like health for my fidgets. I don't know what aquatelia is or whatever this is. Oh yeah, that's stupid me. Clover. I call it that. Okay, so I have it's not really a lot. I have a Orby ball. What the heck is this? What is this? Another pea popper. Oh my god, I have two. I don't know. Another stress ball. This one is like so much in it. I don't like it. And a squishy. Wait, I have like two more squishies. Like two more squishies. Oh my god. Whatever. Hold on, wait. Oh yeah, I forgot. I still have more. Also, I have these spiky balls. So I'm gonna start off with my slime. I already have a whole entire bag of slime. Well, not bag, bin of slime, but I'm not showing that off. So these are my newest slimes. These three. And then I have spiky balls. 3 of them. I already showed you these. Stress ball. I have a monkey noodle just like this in my car, because my sister was eating it. Poppet, I have another one. Where did that go? Oh, my sister has it. Okay. And weird plastic fidget spinner, metal fidget spinner, a piece of a wacky track. The other piece, it was super long, and the other part got stolen and traded, so I cannot not get that back. Showed you this, another pea popper, zippy bracelet, marble mesh. I hate these things. A broken pop tube. Wait, where's my other piece of a broken pop tube? Well, the other piece is gone, I guess. I have 3 pieces. An anime fidget spinner, because I love anime. Infinity cube. Water timer. Fidget pad. Not broken. What is it called? What's it called? Oh yeah, pop tube. Oh my god, how am I forgetting this stuff? Okay. And then, stupid, super weird squishy that I want to paint. Even though I can't paint it all because I got a new table. There's a hole in this. But I'm going to be organizing it, so I'll just use, okay, that's my sister's pants. Should I use this, or where is it? They're both bags. Oh shoot, I have another fidget I want to share with you guys. Okay, that hurt. So should I use this or this? I don't know. I think I'm gonna use, for now, I'm just gonna use this since I kind of found more fidgets, and I have Snake. This is literally just held together with a little piece of clear string. Like, it's not even like, it's so thin and it's terrible. So, anyways, first I'm gonna start off with my big fidgets. You can call this big, like tall, big fidgets. Like, see, like, by small fidgets, I mean like this. And like this. Like, this is kind of medium. I don't know, in the middle. A little less than middle, maybe. But this is definitely like, this is, I don't really know. But medium would be like, this little thing of slime. Or like maybe small. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna, oh jeez. Okay, put this all in, shab. Hold on, let me take this all off the keychain. These are literally held by keychains that come with fidgets. So I gave my YouTube channel to one of really good teachers, because she's like the best teacher ever. Her name is Cassidy, and I don't call her Miss Cassidy because I just call her Cassidy because we're friends, I guess. But yeah, I gave her my YouTube channel, and she watched the cleaning my room video, and she's like, it took you half an hour to clean your room. Great. And I was like, yeah, and it was funny. And then in the gym, I found a broken, well, I thought it was broken. I was told it was broken. A super, super old radio, but there's a CD in it called Funky Time or something like that. But I knew it had funk in it, like funky funk, stuff like that in it. But oh my god, why isn't this working? Okay, I got it. And that didn't work because the CD was literally scratched up, like it literally passed away. It was its funeral. This is not a fidget. And I got it working with the weird channel thingy. It was country music. But this is all my fidgets. Tighten more. Okay, this is the most you can tighten. So I have a little bit more, which are just like squishies, but I want to get more. But I just found 2 $50 gift cards in my room, and I was bouncing a ball. Like, this is a different topic, well, kind of the same, I don't know. But I was a little bit earlier, like a couple days before, I was bouncing a ball in the house, and it broke some glass with a light, and so it, yeah, broke a light. And then now I have to pay for it, so I just had to give my stepdad my Visa card. That sucks. I would rather give them like Starbucks cards, but they don't even use Starbucks. But it's still money, you know. Okay, so this I'm just gonna put. So this is done. So I hope you guys had a good day. I didn't really have a good day. I was crying out latchkey because none of your business. And yeah, so shut up. Yeah, this has been a depressing day. Even though, yeah, whatever. Okay, no words, no other words spoken. Bye.